Welcome to my channel Maths Pursuit. Today under the topic quadratic equations, let us see what exactly is given in the question. Now moving on to the question, it is given that represent the following situations in the form of quadratic equations. Rohan's mother is 26 years older than him. The product of their ages 3 years from now will be 360. We would like to find Rohan's present age. Now let us see how we can solve this question. Moving on to solution. So guys, as per this question, we need to do two things. We need to represent the question in the form of a quadratic equation, as well as we need to find out Rohan's present age. Okay. Now, the question is like Rohan's mother is 26 years older than him. The product of their age 3 years from now will be 360. Okay. Now let's see how to solve this question. We can write let Rohan's present age. Let Rohan's present age is equal to x. Present age is equal to x years. So if Rohan's present age is equal to x years, then Rohan's mother's age will be is equal to x plus 26 years. Okay, because as per the question, Rohan's mother is 26 years older than him. If Rohan's age is x years, Rohan's mother's age will be 26 years. Now, after 3 years, because as per the question, the product of their ages 3 years from now. So that means after 3 years, let's see what is going to be their ages. After 3 years. After 3 years, Rohan's age will be, Rohan's age is equal to x plus 3, mother's age is equal to x plus 26 plus 3, because we considered mother's age as x plus 26, so x plus 26 plus 3 after 3 years. Now as per the question, the product of their ages 3 years from now is 360, so that means product x plus 3 into x plus, so this one if we solve, we are getting x plus 29. So x plus 29 is equal to 360. This is the equation that we are getting. Now let us solve this and we will get a quadratic equation. So I can write this one as x square plus 29x plus 3x plus 87 is equal to minus 360 is equal to 0. Just I solved this one and also I took 360 to the left side. So we are getting x square plus 29x plus 3x minus 8 plus 87 minus 360 is equal to 0, or I can write x square plus 32x minus 273 is equal to 0. So we got a quadratic equation. So this is the first part of our question where it asked for a quadratic equation. So this is the first part. Now let us solve this quadratic equation and we will get the value of x, and then we are able to complete our question and answer. Like once we get the value of x, then that is going to be Rohan's present age. Okay. Now here 273 we have. So let us see 273. If I 3 9s are 27, 3 1s are 3, 7 1s are 7, 7 3s are 21. So we are getting 3 into 7 into 13. Now actually I am looking for a combination where the addition will be 32 and the multiplication will be minus 273. Now let's just check this one. 13 into 3 is 39. So if I take 39 minus 7, I am getting 32. Okay, let's check. X square plus 39x minus 7x minus 273 is equal to 0. So guys, I took 39x minus 7x. I am getting 32x. 39 into minus 7, I am getting 273. So this equation satisfies. Now let us solve this. So I can write, taking x as common, I can write x plus 39 1 x plus 39 the other part is equal to 0, and I can write minus 7 because minus 7 into x is minus 7x, minus 7 into 39 is minus 273. So I can write x minus 7 into x plus 39. So guys, we are getting two things here is equal to 0. Let's see, or I can write x minus 7 is equal to 0 or x is equal to 7, and the other part we are getting x plus 39 is equal to 0 or x is equal to minus 39. So guys, we got two values of x. Now see, we got two values of x, one is minus 39 and one is x is equal to 7, but age cannot be negative, so this one is ruled out. We will go with x is equal to 7. So that means Rohan's present age is 7 years. From this question, from here we concluded that Rohan's present age is 7 years, and mother's age will be 7 plus 26, 7 plus 26, that is equal to 33 years. That's all guys. Hope you understood this calculation. This calculation is very easy and straightforward, but still if you have any questions, please reach out to me in the comment section of this video. Definitely I will get back to you once I see your comments. Guys, if you really like my videos, please subscribe. If you really like my videos, I would request you to kindly subscribe and also let your friends know. This will motivate me to create similar videos in the future. Thank you. Bye.